Welcome to SmartBlox. Today, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robux only using $1. Now, this isn't like a Robux hack, but more like 100 Robux for only $1. Because sometimes you just need 100 Robux and you don't want to spend your whole $5. So yeah, I think this would be really useful. So make sure you drop a like if this is helpful. So if you go into the normal buy Robux, you can see there is no option for $1. But I just posted another tutorial which will be up here, and when you go in the Microsoft Store and then go into the actual Windows 10 version of Roblox, you can go ahead and click this icon. You can see you can buy it for only $1, and that's around 100 Robux. So I hope this is useful and everything's the same right here. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. If you did think this was helpful, then make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when I upload my next premiere. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Peace.